All right, take two. All right, Lance, this is Caroline down here in Houston, Texas. This is my little 5x8 trailer, all I could afford because I bought this monster right here. Of course, there is the pump with the filter. And the crush-proof tubing is disconnected right now. And then there is the water pump, the 5.5 gallon Northstar said I needed. To run this, the machine takes 4.8 gallons intake to kick out 4 gallons. So they said the pump I needed was a 5.5 gallon, which is this one right here. All right, so then we go back to the 1.5 inch water filter, which I'm gonna turn down. I just needed to leave it like that just for a second, of course. And then the 2 elbows. Of course, I know you said not to have any elbows, but like I said, I don't think I have enough room to even turn it sideways. I mean, I guess I could turn it sideways if you think it'll make a difference in the one elbow. So that's what I got going on. And let me know what you think. To pump or not to pump is the question. Or any other suggestions, I'll be happy to take. This is battery, all that stuff. And the hose comes out here. I'm gonna get a couple hose reels to put on. I'm gonna weld one right here and the other one right there. One on this corner, and the other one's gonna be right on the edge between these two. That's gonna be my fill hose. Thanks.